Hello, this is Max Spire once again. So this is the new update from the mod Starcraft the Board Game that you can play in Tabletop Simulator. So here's the update. So now Uncle Phil added a lot of stuff. So now you have the reference sheet for the tech and the units from Jesternaut. And I did the little corrections that needed to be done here. Here you have the rule books, the FAQ, and the ambiguous rules thread from Board Game Geek that I put that into this document. The username is now here when you start. Aldaris borders on the tokens are now orange, they're not yellow anymore, so that's a relief. And you have fan-made stuff. So you have the original soundtrack. You have the battle mat that we always use. You have the resurrection factions, the additional factions that's how I call them, and you have the extra planets. So all the old planets and the new planets are in this bag. So you can play with these new features, and you can just use those here. And that's it. So if you have any ideas or requests, you can ask them, and perhaps Uncle Phil will check if he can add stuff later, or maybe I can help with some documents like this PDF. I'm gonna also add the custom scenario, the scenarios from the Wood War expansion, because I think the page 13 to 17 is missing. Yeah, 13 to 17. So my scanner is not that good, so I will try. So at least it's better to have a low quality one than not at all. So yeah, I'm gonna do that later. So see you again later. Update May 2021.